Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 chemistry series. Inorganic chemistry questions for you. Here you have chlorine, tetrafluoride anion. You have to find hybridization and shape of it. To find the hybridization, you should know the steric number, which is H equals V plus B minus C whole divided by 2. The V stands for valency. Chlorine valency is 7 and B is bonded atom, which is fluorine. You have 4. So if you substitute in the H formula, you have 7 plus 4 minus of minus 1 divided by 2 gives 12 by 2 equals 6. The lone pair calculation will be H minus B. So 6 minus 4 gives 2. Here H6 means sp3d2 hybridization. So the geometry is octahedral. Then you have two lone pair in the octahedral structure where it will occupy, because lone pair repulsion is high, it always away. So what really happened, it will be on 180 degree. The structure will be square planar. So the lone pair is very small when compared to atomic size. So the structure will be square planar. So the shape of chlorine tetrafluoride anion is square planar. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.